Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening your Tumblr dashboard and selecting the blog you'll use. Make sure it's public so backlinks are indexable. Next, pick the post type. Link works best for a clear backlink, but text or photo posts let you embed anchor text naturally. You should already have the target URL and anchor phrase ready. Paste them into the post editor, then write a concise 1-2 sentence context that makes the link relevant. Once done, format the anchor with the editors, link tool, and preview. Now you optimize the backlink so it carries value and looks natural. Use descriptive anchor text that reflects the linked page's topic. Avoid generic phrases. If you're using an image, add alt text and link the image directly. Add tags to help discoverability, and set a canonical link if you control the destination to prevent duplicate content issues. Also decide visibility, public or private, and either publish immediately or schedule. Make sure the link opens in the same tab, publish your post, and then promote it. Reblog within relevant communities, cross-share to social channels, and engage with responses to generate clicks. Monitor performance using referral traffic and search index checks. Give search engines time to crawl the new backlink. If the link doesn't show or isn't followed, inspect the post's HTML for broken hrefs, ensure you didn't add rel equals nofollow unintentionally, and verify blog visibility settings. If problems persist, edit the post and republish. Small fixes often resolve indexing delays.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.